Alright. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Brandon, and we're with Colin on Colin's channel, but he doesn't want to do the intro, so I'm about to do it. Alright, so basically what we're doing is we were intending on trapping his parents inside, because we just got a huge snowstorm. We were going to build it up, trap his parents in there, but we realized after we started doing it that we kind of messed up, and we're kind of stupid because the door opens like when you pull it in. So we decided we're just gonna build it all the way up, ask one of his parents to come outside, and then basically we're just gonna watch the snow fall all over them, which will be pretty funny because they probably won't be dressed to come out in the snow. So we live in upstate New York. We're getting a freaking blizzard right now. We're off of school today, maybe even tomorrow, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this prank. Let's get it. What happened. Basically, we didn't know, but his dad is painting and his mom is working, so none of them will come out, and they're gonna be doing that all day, so we really have no chance to do it. So Colin's gonna just go inside and try and convince them, and then I guess we'll just have to rebuild this because it's probably gonna fall. Hopefully he doesn't get destroyed trying to get in. So yeah, it was kind of a fail, but we still have a chance. We still have a solid chance.
Trying to get in so it doesn't all fall on me.
Yeah, try not to make it all fall down, which is kind of going to be hard, but yo, just ring the doorbell. Open it and then just like make a jump for it. Look at all this stuff.